is fine too. Also, I want to do this video in light of some recent companies that shall not be named that have been releasing new foundations that are only 15 shades with 12 shades of extra white and 3 obligatory shades of brown. Y'all know who you are. Y'all are canceled. Y'all could do better. Okay. So I hope y'all enjoy this little tutorial video, whatever the hell it is, of makeup. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little video that I did for kind of a full face full of person of color friendly brands. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy my whispering. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is where I realized that my camera wasn't actually recording when I was doing my eyeshadow look. I know. I'm only human. I make mistakes. I am flawed. I apologize, but you know, still subscribe, and I'll make sure in the next video that won't happen. Okay, let's keep going. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation in the shade 330, and I'm taking that on my Real Technique sponge and just platting that all over my face. Now y'all, this foundation is everything. It comes in 40 shades, 40 fucking shades. That is incredible. That is incredible. Now the formulation of this foundation, it is really liquidy, which doesn't really bother me, but the coverage is awesome. It's a little lighter in coverage than I'm used to because, you know, I got a lot more to cover. And I'm usually used to using heavier, more full coverage foundations, but this one is totally fine and completely buildable, and I'm in love with it, and it keeps me matte too, and also makes me look really airbrushed and flawless, and doesn't set onto my fine lines like other foundations do. And I'm also going to blend that down my neck and my chest. Now, as you can see, she's looking a little orange, but I'm gonna fix that in a little. So for concealer, I'm taking this e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to plop this under my eyes. Now e.l.f., while the foundation shade range leaves a little to be desired, they are really, really inclusive and, of course, ultra affordable. You guys know this already. And I'm really here for e.l.f. because they are, you know, down with it, down for the cause. And this foundation, I mean, this concealer, Jesus Christ, is pretty poppin' itself. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. And you guys don't need an introduction into this. You guys know that this LA Girl Pro Conceal is like a cult favorite in the beauty community. And the LA Girl, what's it called, Pro HD foundation is poppin' and has a pretty good shade range. And this is one of my favorite concealers. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Moisturizing Foundation Stick in the shade Coffee. I am in love with this. I am honestly in love with doing cream contouring now, thanks to Miss Jackie Aina, because I only used to just do powder contouring, but now I can't go a day without this. And this is a really, really good foundation stick for contouring. Now she's blended on now, and the skin is Sit-In, and I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powders in the shades Medium Deep and Fair Light. Yeah, the Maybelline Fit Me line, as you guys already know, has an amazing shade range with their foundations, and this powder is honestly one of my favorites. And I know y'all probably looking like, damn, that's a lot of powder. Because it is. I'm an oily ass bitch. By the end of the day, I look like my face is smothered in chicken grease. So I gotta do what I gotta do, honey. Now I'm going to take the medium deep shade and use that to set my contour, because this foundation stick is pretty creamy and I don't need it to be sliding around and moving all day, because that won't be cute. And I know it's looking a little gray and a little ashy on camera, but I promise you it's not. Now I'm taking a little highlighter that I made myself called Diva, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighting brush and plop, plop, plop that on my cheekbones, because y'all know I need to highlight, I need to glow, because if you're not highlighting, are you really doing makeup? Y'all, look at that glow. Bitch, I did the hell out of that. I should make some more of these and sell them online. Maybe. Future project. Oh, look at that nose glow, bitch. Ooh-wee. Now for lipstick, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Midnight Wasabi, which they describe as a wicked green. And y'all, oh my god. Well, first of all, of course, my main hand in mirror is covering the whole application. Like, what the fuck? But before this, I would never go near a green foundation. But y'all, I am in love, and the formulation of these lipsticks are like Rihanna. You did that,